I wanted to share this packaging with you because this is very, very cool. Now, anyone who knows anything about packaging will tell you that it can be very expensive. Packaging can be very expensive, but it can be very effective in making and manufacturing a product that's really successful. For example, let's take the Apple mouse, for example. I mean, this isn't exactly packaging per se, but the Apple mouse, you know, the way the Apple mouse is designed. You know, the engineers go out of their way to create really cool packaging for an Apple mouse. You take a board game or even like a thing of tape, you know, that's packaging. That's actually a product design packaging. But I came across this packaging of an egg carton. And you'd think, well, it's just an egg carton. But check this out. This is a brand called Consider Pastures. And I guess what they do is they have no added hormones, no antibiotics, that kind of thing for eggs. And this is their packaging. So my wife came home with this thing and I'm like, oh my God, that is so cool. Like from a packaging standpoint, this is so cool. You know, they have, so I asked her, I said, how much is this? How much is this packaging? And, or package of eggs, I should say. And she said it was about $9. So that's a lot for a dozen of eggs. You know, the average is about $3 to $4 for a carton of eggs, and that's your standard cardboard, corrugated cardboard packaging. But this here, man, they went all out on this packaging here. They have the gold leaf. This is actually, I don't know if you can see this, but it's actually embossed. So they have their brand, their name sort of embossed. And then they add the gold leaf on the top here. It looks like it's just a standard colored material, like a chipboard material. Looks like they had maybe 2 colors on this, and then they have the, you know, the brand emboss on the top of that there or whatever. But this is very cool. And then when you open it here, this, it's kind of clunky now because there's no eggs in it, but when you open it up, it's like opening, oops, there's no eggs in it. Open it up like this, and you have all the container for the eggs. I mean, this is like really, really high quality. To bring eggs, you know, it's kind of a shame in a way, because then when you want to throw this thing out, I mean, in my case here, I didn't throw it out. I wanted to keep it because this is an excellent example of really quality packaging. Now again, when it comes to eggs, do you really need to go through this extent for packaging? Probably not, but if you want to sell an upscale brand of eggs in an egg carton that's really high quality and high scale, this is the way to go. So I just wanted to show this, an example of what high quality packaging looks like for something simple like eggs.